brand new elevator here at the Sawyer Hotel in Sacramento, California. This is where Downtown Plaza used to stand. Oh, this doesn't work. It's still pretty cool to look at. This goes up to the Golden One Center, as well as the parking structure for the hotel. So this whole thing right here is new. Right here, that's where it comes up. And right here, some brand new escalators. Oh wow, some down there too. That's pretty cool. That's it.